Mama on the fire.
Some big one in there.
Okay.
Come on, say, Lord Jesus Christ.
Hi guys.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Welcome back to the vlog. You don't need to make a Skylife in the building. No violence. We have Tywin right here. Hey, baby.
I'm going to do some jerking today.
So, guys, we're going to jerk today. Today is Thursday. Today is jerk day. We are going to do bad dog sausage with cheese, mustard, relish, and what else? Mayonnaise. So, real junk food style. So that we're going to do today. It's junk food. So this is the fire pan right here. Mama just helped me catch a fire. And yeah, we're going to deal with that now. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Show the love. Leave a comment in the comment section box below. We're going to do marshmallows. I don't like the white food then. So, I try this. Yeah. It's sweet. Too sweet.
Yeah.
Mama, you see a roast marshmallow? Marshmallow!
But you the bun up is sitting.
I saw you go stay. What are you in body?
I want to know you ready.
You're not ready yet. You go get soft up and kind of golden brown like. See like how this is?
Yeah.
I wait if you want to catch a fire.
This you eat it with chocolate.
They must never make me get big and fat out of control.
What's the some season or some stuff?
Stephanie, girl says she don't want no season. And maybe she want it, but
Stop, no.
Yeah, you get that one. Yeah, they go keep it till
you used to doing something, you know. White food.
Ow. Ow.
Can't eat this.
What I do?
Taste it, Steph.
It hot?
No, sir. None of them good.
Sweet money, extra sweet now.
I don't like it. You like it?
Can you give me a break for it? You have to give me that? Oh,
That's true. I don't like it. Yeah, them I try marshmallow. The first time I eat that in my lifetime. I don't eat those stuff. You deal with the bad dog now.
Oh,
Now do corn.
yeah.
We have corn. This is a sweet corn.
We just buy one pack. Also.
So it has a lot of flavor in. We're gonna put it on a grill in foil paper. It come out really nice. This is the regular sausage. Regular. Bad dog. And then we have the jerk one. This one is very, very nice. Spicy. So yeah, so I'll jump into it right now. You know, like, yeah. So guys, bad dog sausage.
You take one or two. Oh, you take one out. Nice sausage and sandwich. You know, eat. Yeah. But that can't be full. You see, say fire high.
You mean the hot dog ready?
Oh, you come in the water? Go on, bucket, yeah. That's a cut it out.
All this, you know.
You're going to say upon the fire, you say about the just at it up.
You know what to do? You don't tell him.
No, but that's scary, but that's food.
You still say they jerk, boy, they not jerk.
And you're going to eat corn.
Boy, you want to eat bonus. Every one of them bonus, you are eating.
Tell him again.
Leave it now.
She saw jerk.
Move from the fire side.
Alive.
Move! I'm going to carry the marshmallow then.
Come on, bring it to you.
And the rest of stuff.
Must.
Yeah. Yes, Amen.
She saw jerk.
Move from the fire side.
Alive.
Move! I'm going to carry the marshmallow then.
Come on, bring it to you.
And the rest of stuff.
Must.
Yeah. Yes, Amen.
So guys, I actually leave the jerk station. I'm going to my farm bed because I'm going to picture them. I'm going to put them in the earth right now. They want transplant because I want to get big. They want space to grow, so I'm going to deal with that now. And then after I show you guys how the hot dog stuff come out. Okay. Tomorrow I plant my cabbage. I have some cabbage too. And I'm going to show you the bed what it look like. This is what we did. And I planted my sweet peppers. What is? Marry. One with sweet pepper. I'm gonna marry them. So I'm gonna plant my pak char them now. I'm not gonna record this because I didn't bring my tripod and I want to get the, finish it before night. I have to plant them in the evening because the sun sets so dew can fall upon them. And beatings, and I'll plant them and water them. So guys, I didn't get to capture the ending of the jerk session, but this is what the hot dog looks like, and I'm telling you, it tastes as bad as it look. I'm if it tell you.